Linux Mint versus Pop! OS, which Linux distro is better for daily use. Choosing between Linux Mint and Pop! OS for daily use comes down to understanding what each distribution prioritizes and how those priorities align with the way you actually work. Both are built on Ubuntu, both are beginner-friendly by Linux standards, and both have strong communities behind them, but they approach the daily computing experience with noticeably different philosophies. Linux Mint is built around familiarity and stability, while Pop! OS is built around productivity, modern hardware support, and a refined workflow for power users. This comparison breaks down how each distribution holds up as a daily driver. Linux Mint is a community-driven distribution that has built its reputation on delivering a stable, familiar, and complete desktop experience that works well for a wide range of users without requiring any post-installation configuration. Its Cinnamon desktop environment offers a traditional layout that feels natural to anyone with Windows experience, and the distribution ships with everything most users need to be immediately productive. Mint's update philosophy is cautious and deliberate, meaning users rarely encounter system-breaking changes, and its long-term support releases provide years of stability on a single installation. The distribution is also light on system resources, making it a strong performer on mid-range and older hardware. Linux Mint is best suited for everyday users who want a reliable, low-maintenance desktop that stays out of the way and just works. Pop! OS is a Linux distribution developed by System76, the Linux hardware manufacturer, and it is designed with a strong focus on productivity, modern hardware support, and a streamlined workflow for users who want more from their desktop. Its GNOME-based interface has been heavily customized with a tiling window manager option, a dedicated application launcher, and a workspace workflow that suits power users and developers who want to maximize screen real estate and keyboard-driven navigation. Pop! OS is particularly well regarded for its out-of-the-box support for NVIDIA graphics cards and its strong compatibility with modern hardware, making it a popular choice for gaming and creative workloads. Its software management includes a curated app store and straightforward system recovery options. Pop! OS is best suited for power users, developers, and creators who want a modern and productivity-focused Linux desktop with strong hardware support. Feature comparison: Linux Mint and Pop! OS both perform well as daily drivers but reward different types of users. Mint is the stronger choice for users who want simplicity, stability, and a familiar environment that requires minimal adjustment. Pop! OS is the stronger choice for users who want a productivity-optimized workflow, strong NVIDIA support, and a more modern desktop experience. The right choice depends on whether you prioritize low-maintenance reliability or a feature-rich environment built around how power users work. Final thoughts: if your daily use involves general productivity, web browsing, media consumption, and document work, and you want a system that stays stable and predictable over time, Linux Mint is one of the best daily drivers available at any experience level. If your daily use involves development work, creative applications, gaming, or you simply want a more modern and workflow-focused desktop environment, Pop! OS delivers a polished and capable experience that holds up well under demanding use. Both are excellent choices, and the decision comes down to how much you want your operating system to do for you versus stay quietly out of your way.